Welcome to my channel, Respectable Views. Today we will discuss the uses of turmeric. Turmeric is a versatile spice with various uses. First is skin remedy. Use of turmeric odor in milk, skin will glow and repair. Second is culinary. It's a key ingredient in curry powder and adds flavor and color to many dishes. Third is medicinal. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and is used in traditional medicine. Fourth is skin care. Turmeric can be used in face masks and creams for its potential skin benefits. Fifth is natural dye. It's used as a natural dye for fabrics. Sixth is preservative. Due to its antimicrobial properties, it's used as a food preservative. Seventh is religious and ritual. It's used in religious ceremonies and rituals in some cultures. Eighth is natural remedies. People use it for home remedies like soothing sore throats or reducing nausea. 9 is textiles. Turmeric can be used to dye textiles and create vibrant colors. For more videos, like video and subscribe my channel. Turmeric is the best for health. I will advise you, please add turmeric in your foods and other diet. Take care.